welcome back to my channel. I'm Astrid, so today I'll be showing you the life cycles of animals and insects, and of course the plant. So first, I will show you what the life cycle of a butterfly is. So, we got the butterfly. It's the meaning, and then we get the life cycle of the butterfly, of course. Then first, a caterpillar. It's gonna be involved into a butterfly or a moth. So guys, this is the egg of a caterpillar. This is a caterpillar. This is the cocoon. Do not disturb it. If you disturb it, it will not evolve to anything. It might die. Next, the adult butterfly emerges. And then the adult butterfly has come. So, it's like this. So guys, this is the butterfly life cycle. This is the egg of the caterpillar. This is the caterpillar. This is the cocoon. As I said, do not disturb it while it's still evolving. Next, guys, is the adult emerges, and then the adult is there. The adult butterfly has emerged. It could be a moth too, sometimes. What is a butterfly? Butterflies are usually day-flying insect of the order Lepidoptera. Butterflies are closely related to moths, from which they evolved. Most butterflies are found in tropical rainforests, but they can live in all climates and altitudes of the world. Ta-da! So guys, next, I'm gonna show you the life cycle of the frog. So first, this is the frog eggs. As usually, it's called the egg mass, of course, because it's the egg frogs from the mother frog. Next, we got a tadpole. After hatching the baby eggs, same thing as you don't disturb it before it dies too. So this hatches into a tadpole, and then in a few days, tadpole has legs. And then it becomes a froglet. For a few days it has like hands, and then it's called a froglet. And then a few days later, it's the adult frog without the tail. Ta-da! So guys, this is the frog eggs. Do not disturb it while it's still hatching. This is the tadpole. This is the tadpole with legs. This is the froglet. And this is the adult frog. So the meaning of the frog is a tailless amphibian that differ from reptiles because they don't have scales. Amphibians are cold-blooded vertebrate animals. They can be found on every continent except for Antarctica, and all toads are also actually frogs. Toads. Okay. So the next I'm gonna show you is the life cycle of the plant. So first, as you need is a seed. A seed is first what the plant needs. A seed. After you water it every day, well, sometimes it rains, you don't have need to water it. Then it becomes a sprout. After in a few days, and then a seedling. After. A seedling is like a small plant, but it doesn't have anything yet. It's just leaves. And then we got a flower. The beautiful flower. When the flower is matured, that means when it's ready to become a fruit. So, ta-da! So guys, this is the seed. And then it's a sprout. And then it's a seedling. Then it's a flower. When it's matured, it's ready to be a fruit. Ta-da! I think it evolves into a fruit. The flower evolves to the fruit. Then here's the meaning of a plant. Plants are one of 5 big groups or kingdoms of living things. They are autotrophic, trophic eukaryotes, which means they have complex cells to make food of their own. Okay, and make their own food. Okay. Plant needs sunlight, carbon dioxide, minerals, and water to make food by photosynthesis. A green substance in plants called chlorophyll traps the energy from the sun needed to make food is the plant needs. And that is the life cycle of the plant. So guys, last but not the least, the chicken. The little chicken. So guys, this is the life cycle of a chicken. So, a chicken lays an egg, so it of course it's an egg. And then when you get an X-ray, it's called an embryo. Inside, it still evolves into a chick when it's still inside of the egg. And then it becomes a little cute hatchling. If you got it when it hatches, it's gonna be so cute. Then it becomes a chick when it completely hatches. And then a few days later, it's an adult chicken. So guys, this is the life cycle of a chicken. This is the egg. This is the embryo. This is the hatchling. This is the chick. And this is the chicken. The adult chicken. For the meaning of the chicken is, a chicken is a kind of the domesticated bird. It is raised widely for its meat and eggs. There are 24 billion chickens in the world wide. Sometimes chickens can be in the wild still, I think. They are usually kept by humans as livestock, which means it is kept for its meat and eggs. A male chicken is called a rooster or a cock. A female chicken is called a hen. So guys, that's the meaning of the chicken. So guys, if you want more videos like this, please visit my Facebook page, Astrid Mulles, and please visit my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles, to get more video updates like this and more notifications if I had more videos. And if you like this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get new video updates. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.